Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, it is a grocery haul challenge. Yes, challenge. So in today's video is hosted by Wanda from Miss Amechi. If you want to check out her other channel, Grandma Does It All, both of those links will be in my description box down below. I'm the co-host C'Aira, and in today's video we're doing a grocery haul challenge where you are trying to stick to a budget of $100. So for my budget challenge, I am going to be doing a meal plan for 1 week where I am trying to stay under or right at that $100 budget. So I'm gonna sit back, relax real quick, and meal plan for the next couple days, put my order in, and then I'll pick it up tomorrow during lunch or right after work. Alright, so as you guys can tell here, I have Thursday because today is a Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm literally doing it for 1 whole week. Y'all, I'm gonna be totally transparent. Ever since this whole pandemic started, with the groceries going up and stuff, it really is hard to budget on $100 for a family of more than 2. So I'm a family of 4, and let me just say we have the same stuff over and over every single month because I know what the price is going to be. But it looks like some of the prices for the meals and the items have gone down, so we shall see what the outcome is. I am still meal planning based off of literally based off of like whatever's already on here. So that includes like the sides for certain things or what we need in these things. So anyways, let me get back to that. I just thought I'd throw that out there, that the prices are not what they used to be. It is rather difficult now to try to budget off of $100, $200, $300. It doesn't matter. Like I'm to that point where food is being wasted a lot. Like if we pull something out, such as like chicken or fish, we sometimes forget about it because of something else that we really want. So I'm trying. So let me get back to this. So honestly, I'm going to be using the Kroger app to get food. One thing that I do is log in and I load all of the food coupons that I want, depending on like what it is, and then I'll go in and try to like see what coupons I really do want to use in order to do my meal planning. Prime example, they have tacos right here on sale for saving 50 cents. I go in and I click that coupon and then I hit shop all items, and then I scroll down here and I'm gonna save 50 cents off of the original price over here. I also go to Kroger because it's very cheaper, so I go in and I'll normally hit the weekly ad just to see what the ad is like for the week. With that being said, this is the weekly ad for the week coming up that I am filming. So I'm gonna try to jump on these deals, especially that 10 for 10 deal that they used to do. I see a lot of great signs jumping out, and I know it's backwards, but still, cheaper prices for your money. Okay, y'all, so I picked up my order. The total was $84.06. My savings today was $16.89. So I did stay within the budget. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and show you guys all the things that I got, show you the meal plan idea that I have in my head, which is gonna last me a whole week. So let me finish getting this stuff taken out the bag. And let me just say, for what, 29 items? This wasn't bad. This was really good to stay under the amount that that I wanted. I got a total of $6.94 off for a coupon or sale, and then I also got a $5 off coupon, so it brought my total from $96 down to $84.06. Look at that, y'all, in case you don't believe me, that my total at first was $96, and then it was brought down to $84.06. Now what I will say is that even though I stayed under budget, even though I got 2 extra items that was not needed for any of these meals that I plan on making for the 1 week, I still stayed in budget. So the 2 items that I got that were not even planned to have in my meal for the week were just some maple pork sausages. These are our favorite to have on the weekends. We also like these in the sausage links, but I decided to pick that up. And then another favorite of ours to have that you guys can enjoy over 3 days is the Marie Callender's confetti birthday cake pie. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead with the haul. So starting with today, which is Thursday, I had meal planned to do the pizza. So I picked up 2 of the pizza crust mix, which is going to make enough for each kid to have their own pizza if they really wanted it, or I could do 2 and just like split it and have it twice. And then I also picked up the pizza cheese. One thing about my meal plans, I thought I'd just say that one thing about my meal plans is if I already have the ingredients here, I don't even bother to re-pick it up because I want to use what I already have up in my cabinets or whatever's already here. So that's the reason why I did not pick up pizza sauce. Alright, so next I have some shredded lettuce, and then I have some taco seasoning as well as some soft tortillas, and then I picked up the nacho cheese, flavored taco shells, and some Takis flavored taco shells along with 2 tomatoes. So this would be for taco night. All we put on ours is tomatoes, cheese, and lettuce. And of course, this is one reason why I don't like them to use I don't like to use them to do our pickup. You guys can see the color of my lettuce, and it expires April 24th, and clearly today is April 20th. So still has a good 4 days, but it's already turning, so we'll probably eat that for dinner tonight. So with that being said, I had to get the 3-pound ground beef. Some of it will be used for the tacos, and then of course here I have garlic bread and 2 of the ragu chunky garden sauce combinations, and some corn, the golden corn, and then I have the sloppy joe mix, and I also have the ultimate Caesar kit. This is honestly my favorite because it comes with the romaine lettuce, the artisan style croutons, the Caesar dressing, the shaved parmesan romano, and then the spices. That's what makes it the best. But anyways, as you guys can see, this isn't turning, but it has the same date of 4/27. So with this big roll, I do plan on doing tacos, spaghetti, and sloppy joe out of this. So this for $10 is great because you can use it up to 3 or 4 uses. So like I said, for sloppy joes, spaghetti, tacos. Moving along, I also picked up some of the ground turkey. These are for the turkey meatballs. If you guys would like to see exactly how I make my turkey meatballs, comment down below, and I'll do a separate quick video on that. But y'all, they are amazing. I use olive oil and not vegetable oil. So with the turkey meatballs, once again, if I already have something here, I don't go and buy anymore. So I just thought I'd share with you guys, like, prime example, I have 3 boxes up here of rice. So I have 2 basmati and then 1 brown rice. So if I already have it up here, I do not turn around and buy more because I want to use what I already have up here. And so I bought the broccoli cuts to go along with these meatballs, and then I just ground everything up. Yeah, y'all know the rest. Anyways, like I said, comment down below if you want to see that. So I also picked up some of these New Orleans style andouille smoked sausages. These are the favorite in our house. We either get these or the better with cheddar, but for the kids, these were on sale for $1. These are bar S. They're just classic Franks. This is something that was, like I said, quick and easy. They're not always into hot dogs, but we try to, make do. So we'll do the hot dogs, and we'll have the crinkle cut French fries. Next, I have the chicken breast. The chicken breast was only $4.71, as you guys can see. This is going to get cut up, and I'm going to do copycat Chick-fil-A nuggets, and I will do like a short video on that because they were a success. So I will cut these up into strips and then just cut it up really small, and we will have some peas with that. So I picked up the sweet peas that you guys see here. Peas are, a really good thing to have too. I try to keep things different from time to time. And then I just picked up some fish. This is just something that we could have along with the rice that's already here. Or we can do it with like some pasta that I already have, something like that. So of course, in order to make sloppy joes, I buy the white sliders. That way it's like smaller for the kids, and with this they tend to eat more. So it's 12 buns in here, and they, like I said, they really enjoy this little bread for the sliders because they're nice and small. And then I also picked up some enriched hot dog buns, which is going to be for the hot dogs. We always end up having 2 hot dogs left over. We never really eat it all, but with the way that the pandemic has caused, we are now trying to eat everything, even if we have leftovers. And of course, I had to buy some eggs because I already have milk, but we needed eggs in order to do the egg and milk wash for the fish, the egg and milk wash for the copycat Chick-fil-A nuggets, and then to make like some breakfast throughout the week. So yes, y'all, this is my haul that I stayed under budget for. Literally $90. So I could have used $10 more, but that's okay. Even getting these extra 3 items didn't even put me over budget, and this is enough for not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meals. Literally, here's 8 meals right here. Here's something for breakfast. Here's something for breakfast and a dessert that'll last us 3 days, because I already have things like muffins and desserts that are in the cabinet that I don't have to go out and get. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's upload, as it was a budget grocery haul that we needed to stay under $100, and your girl did just that. So I'm very proud of myself where I was able to put together 8 quick meals of things that I also needed, like the sides or anything to go with it, and was able to bring it together in a video upload for you. Let me just say, budget shopping is definitely hard, but at the same time it could be so easy for you. So I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. If you have, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing to my channel, as I do a lot of great things here on this channel, as I'm Just Being C'Aira. Please be sure to check out the playlist that's linked in my description box down below, and I appreciate it. Have a good one.